Alright, this time it's for real.
One time, one world, two times, one love, three times, rewind. Cause I'ma dedicate this song to everyone I got you to. Yo, come as you are, come just like you be. It's the bumps and curves of our history, but no blocks in the road that we can't traverse, and no wounds from the past that can't be nursed. All hate gonna dissipate from our faith. No check together, we got a checkmate. All hate gonna dissipate and fade away to make room for a brand new day. We got one world and it's time to fly. One love till we say goodbye. We got one world, it's enough to say the world. Hold on to the bottom of the air. We got one world. I'll look out for you, you look out for me. One world. Together we can be perfect harmony. One world. I'll look out for you, you look out for me. One world. And I'ma dedicate this song to everyone who got you. Hey, one world ought to be more than enough. And if it's not as God-looking and pure disgust, wondering what the dealing with the silly I see when I made each of these in the image of me. Every day is a chance for a new stance, like every song is the beginning of a new dance. And every one of us is made to reflect the light and glorify the Most High.